Hi there and welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we will talk about placement. What does that mean? Placement is the section at the ad set level where we precise where do we want to put our ads. I personally always edit the placements and I don't go with the automatic one. So let's check out the different options we have and discover what could be better for your business. First, you should choose if you want to put the ad on mobile or on desktop. To take this decision, I always run two ad sets, one on mobile and one on desktop, to see which one is performing better. If I see that one of them is performing much better than the other one, I kill the other one or I try to optimize it. Now, concerning the platforms, let's take a look to see the options. Facebook news feeds, or in simpler words, Facebook homepage, where you see your friends' updates and the updates of the pages you like in addition to ads. Instant articles. An instant article is a document that loads very quickly on Facebook. Instant articles give you the ability to tell rich stories in a branded and customizable article format that renders fast on mobile. In-stream videos are the ads that show when we are checking Facebook videos. Right column, it's the one we see next to our news feeds. Suggested videos are the videos that Facebook suggests to us when finishing a video we were watching. Facebook Marketplace is a digital marketplace where users can arrange to buy, sell and trade items with other people in their area. It's not available in all countries and can access on mobile and stories. We have also Instagram feeds and stories and messenger inbox and stories. As for audience network, it's a way to advertise outside Facebook while using Facebook ad system. Personally, I shut down everything and I leave only Facebook feed. I have run many tests and I have found that best performing ads for me are the one in the news feed directly. Usually, once I find a winner product, I then start trying other placements and I pick the placements that performs the best to scale. Concerning the mobile devices, I always prefer to target people connected to Wi-Fi. I think that this option saves me money because in many situations, people who are not connected to Wi-Fi might click on ads without proceeding to purchase, and I will give you a small example about this. Imagine someone in the subway and he's seeing your ad. With all the people around him, he might click to check on your ad and check the product you are selling, but he's less likely to make a purchase. Many things might distract him, or maybe he will simply lose connection underground and he will forget totally about the ad he clicked. I hope you enjoyed this lecture